Good morning, student. In disaster management, after complete the various aspects of that disaster management, how to control the various disasters, pre-disaster management and post-disaster management. And by that pre-disaster management and post-disaster management, to increase the ability to face such type of various disasters and minimum losses of that disasters, minimum losses of various things from that disasters, that is known as aspects of management of disasters. The various aspects of that management of these disasters. Now next, structure of that disaster management authority. We know that there are various levels of that authorities of various peoples to the various people. There are various levels to authorize management of that disasters. For example, the village level authority of that disaster management, district level of that disaster management, state level of that disaster management, national level of that disaster management. To get the authorities how to manage of that disasters, pre-disasters and post-disasters. Now in that authority, in that responsibility to planning of that disasters, to coordination, to controlling and implementation, rehabilitation of that disasters. These are known as various things, and to a responsibility to the various peoples in various levels. For example, the village level, districts level, state level and national levels. To a responsible to losses the various disasters, to minimum loss of that disasters, to planning the pre-disaster management and post-disasters management. Now District Level Act 2005 has been passed in our country. This is one of the disaster management act, and by that District Level Disaster Management Act 2005, it is responsible to the collector how to management of that disasters, that is known as planning of that disasters, coordination of these disasters, controlling and implementation and rehabilitation of that disasters. Now this chart indicates control and coordination under the disaster management from national level to village level, national level to village level. Now start one by one. Now in case of national level disaster management, authorize chairman, that is known as Prime Minister. Prime Minister authorized to manage the national level disaster management. How to manage the disasters at the national level? It gets the authorized to the Prime Minister. The management of that disasters, that is known as planning of that disasters, rehabilitation of that disasters, the controlling and coordination of that disasters. These are known as different planning, and this planning authorized to the Prime Minister at national level. Then in case of state level, state disaster management authorized by Chief Minister. In case of state level, now this state level disaster management authorized by Chief Minister. Authorize how to plan of that disasters, pre-disaster management, post-disaster management, rehabilitation of that disaster management, the controlling and coordination of that disaster management at state level by Chief Minister. Chief Minister. Then district level management authority. In case of district level management authority, authorized by collector. By collector. District level authority. Disaster management authorized by authority by collector. Now by that collector is planning, coordination, controlling and implementation, rehabilitations by collector at district level. Then next, in taluka level, taluka disaster management authorized by Tahsildar. By Tahsildar. Tahsildar collected, controlling, planning and rehabilitation of that disasters and to minimize loss of that disasters. Pre-disaster management and post-disaster management. And last, that is known as village level committee disaster management authorized by Sarpanch. Pre-disasters and post-disasters to collect the various information from various places, to coordination of various peoples, to planning of various things and rehabilitation of various people, various things by Sarpanch. That is known as village level committee. Now this is it indicates these are known as different level, and in this different level authorize the various peoples to planning of that disasters and minimum losses of that from that disasters and increase the ability of the disaster management. There are various level authorized by various people, that is known as Prime Minister at national level, Chief Minister at state level, collector at district level, Tahsildar taluka level and Sarpanch village level. Now this is a structure of disaster management authority. Thank you.